Chicken parm.
Yes, as the puddles slowly fill up around us, this is part of the adventure too. Just always know that there's blue sky behind those clouds. There's your daily affirmation. So this happens. It didn't find itself in there by accident. It fell in the water the very first day for me. So we're gonna see if it works or not in the future. That's why we're on GoPro. But Mark has his good 4K camera, which I'm sure you saw the chicken parms already. Yeah, those are gonna be legendary. I highly recommend them. These guys I'm talking about. We're back in action. About 45 minutes of rain, and we're back.
I'm going down to the Greyhound station, gonna get a ticket to ride. Gonna find that lady with 2 or 3 kids and sit down by her side. Ride till the sun comes up and down around me about 2 or 3 times. Smoking cigarettes in the last seat. Try to hide myself from the people I meet and get along with it all. Go down where people say, oh, sing a song with a friend. Change the shape of a man and get back in the game. Start playing again. I'd like to stay, but I might have to go to start over again. Might go back down to Texas, I might go to somewhere I never been. And get up in the morning, go out at night, and I won't have to go home. Get used to being alone. Change the words to the song, start singing again.
On camera. Can't even tell you're in a net.
Disco!
Oh, he's in there.
Disco!
Oh, yeah.
I'm tired of running around looking for answers to questions that I already know. I could build me a castle of memories just to have somewhere to go. Count the days and the nights that it takes to get back in the saddle again. Feed the pigeons some clay, turn the night into day. Start talking again when I know what to say. I'm going down to the Greyhound station, gonna get a ticket to ride. Gonna find that lady with 2 or 3 kids and sit down by her side. Ride till the sun comes up and down around me about 2 or 3 times. Smoking cigarettes in the last seat. Try to hide myself from the people I meet and get along with it all. Go down where people say, oh, feed the pigeons some clay. Turn the night into day. Start talking again when I know what to say.
Good old Cherry Lake.
Beautiful cherry. Got her set right over there.
The site's somewhere back over there. Over there to yonder. Strom's doing all the work while I make the video.
As usual.
As usual.
Edit that out.
That's pretty. What a gorgeous night here on Cherry Lake.
Some come up and some come down. If you love and give your tongue, sit down, get down in the sun. Rock it to the woman is out the one. Well, I like it, well, I like it, well, I like it. The earth is made of a dirt and wood, and I've been walked up if I could. I live in a dream.
Put the top on there.
In your street. I live in a dream.
What do we have here, bro?
Some come up and some come
All right, let's take a look.
down and give your tongue.
Hold her up for the camera.
Charleston Chew and Crunch Bar, dude.
Crunch
That's what I'm
bar.
going with. There's like the crunchy bottom part.
Okay.
Either way,
The upper decker.
delicious. That's how we do it here in the Boundary Waters.
Right here. That's how we do.
How we do it.
Right here.
Might not see either of our faces.
It might be mosquitoes. They're flying everywhere.
You look at Matt.
Look at this. All right. Oh, what's there?
Check you later.
Some come slow and overload. Must roll over when you tow. Let's untip and let's unfold. A letter to the better get it to go. I like that, I like that. I like that, I like that. Some come up and some come down. Live to love and give good time. Sit down, get down in the sun. Rock it to the woman that's out the one. I like that, I like that. I like that, I like that. Some come up and some come young. Live to love and give good tongue. Sit down, get down in the sun. Rock it to the woman that's on the one.
I see Mama. Where's Daddy?
That's like a cricket or something. I forgot you can. I forgot you could see it. That's pretty sweet. This is way cooler than my GoPro. So again, people, if you're coming up to the Boundary Waters, any time of the year, even in December, maybe a mosquito will get you. Me and Mark chilling here. We'll tell you what, a storm rolled through. It did. We're here in the bug hut. No wind. No wind. Lots of bugs. There's still even some flying around
Piece
here.
of advice that continues to help is anyone that's making anything new only breaks something else. When my time comes,
Where are we, Mark?
We're on Knife Lake.
What island?
Dorothy's root beer lady
The root beer lady. And
having a fish fry.
the fishing gods bless us with some bass fry tonight. Booyah!
Boom.
and if heaven was all that was promised to me, why don't I pray for death? Well, now it seems like the unraveling has started too soon. Now I'm sleeping in hallways and I'm drinking perfume and I'm speaking to mirrors and I'm howling at moons while the worse and the worse that it gets. Or you can judge the whole world on the sparkle that you think it lacks. Yes, you can stare into the abyss, but it's staring right back. When my time comes, the world on the sparkle that you think it lacks. Yes, you can stare into the abyss, but it's staring right back. When